Time for another episode of Cindy in the News. Alright, so it's Friday. News time. Did Trump fire Fauci? He hasn't been around lately. I know he's in quarantine and has been saying such scandalous things as reopening now will end up hurting the economy even more. So if he isn't fired yet, he probably will be soon. Trump was once again asked about the rising death toll, and he said, death is death. Anyways, we're doing one hell of a job. Comforting words indeed in these dark times. Speaking of dark times, we have yet another whistleblower, Dr. Bright, who said if we don't get our shit together, we're headed towards the darkest winter in America. My God. Jon Snow was right. Winter is coming. So it turns out doctors, pressured by Trump, had started giving patients hydroxychloroquine, even if they didn't actually have the virus. Meanwhile, Trump has been pressuring the CDC to change the way that the death toll number is produced in order to have a lower number. He says they can do this by not counting people who died from coronavirus who haven't had their official test results come in, or if they had something else like, say, an ear infection, put down that they died of that. So the current count as of 10 a.m. was 1,460,902 cases with 87,025 deaths. This is nearly 1,600 more deaths since yesterday. So we're probably going to have 90,000 dead by Monday and 100,000 dead by the following week. And at this rate, we're going to hit the 147,000 projected dead by the end of June, not August. So Wisconsin tried to extend the stay-at-home orders until the end of May, but the Supreme Court knocked it down. Immediately, everyone ran off in big crowds to the bars and pubs to spit in each other's faces. Not a mask was seen anywhere. So back when the virus first hit, a bunch of senators immediately sold off a bunch of the more harder hit stocks. Remember that? Well, one of them, Senator Richard Burr, is being investigated by the FBI for engaging in insider trading. And finally, in order to help with social distancing, the New York City subway is contemplating having reservations for the subway in order to be able to ride.